New line installed, trial production begins. Unstable coating, frequent minor failures. Capacity targets missed. It's not a defective line. It's the break-in period not being properly managed. A coating line requires a significant period of commissioning and break-in, from installation to stable production. New equipment must gradually increase load during break-in. Never go full load abruptly. ZHYAO recommends a three-phase approach. Phase 1, dry run break-in. Run the conveyor at low speed for a period of time. Gradually increase speed. Never go full speed immediately. Check for chain misalignment, hanger wobble, and smooth drive across all sections. Phase 2, parameter fine-tuning. Pretreatment chemical concentrations. Curing oven temperature profiles, gun voltage, and pressure. All coarsely set during commissioning. Fine-tuned during production. Log daily parameters and product quality to find the optimal combination. Phase 3, load ramp up. Gradually increase load. Don't run at full capacity immediately. Start with small batch trial production to verify continuous operation stability and coating quality. Fine-tune parameters based on trial results and develop standard operating procedures. A well-managed break-in ensures long-term stability. Minor problems during break-in are normal. Don't jump to conclusions. How long did your new line break-in period take? Drop a comment below.
ZHYAO. Together, we color the world.